October 19, 2025. It has been 2 months since my last post here on my YouTube account. It has been a whirlwind since then. Um, I believe the last post, I'm kind of mixed up with all the feelings and pains that I've been experiencing. So I focused first on what I can do for my mom. So I make sure that uh, just whatever which case, whatever happens to me, I know she will be partly okay, especially if ever she's gonna be sick. So I make sure everything is okay with her feel health and all those shenanigans when it comes to PhilHealth here in the Philippines. So everything's okay with her. So I'm very happy for it. And when it comes to my situation, still the same. Um, I'm still trying to figure out what's gonna be happening next since I'm with a public hospital here in the Philippines. So I have no choice but to wait because if I'll be going through a public hospital, um, everything is for free. It's just that you really need to wait since it's a public hospital. There's really a big difference when you go to a public hospital rather than going to a private. With the private hospital, once you go to their hospital, they're gonna fix you on set. But uh, if you're in a public hospital, you have no choice but to wait. So that's what I'm doing right now. Though I'm still worried because it has been 2 months and 2 weeks since the time I've been taking pain relievers for the pain that I'm experiencing on my abdomen. So I'm just scared that it might ruin my kidney. But uh, again, I don't have any choice for it. So yeah. So right now, the pain is still there. Um, I take note of the time. So from my notes, it's the pain. It has been happening every 6 hours. So every 6 hours, I need to take medicine. Any pain reliever that's available that I have at home. If I have extra money, I take Dolphinol, which is the for me it's the best painkiller that I've taken because it's fast absorbent. So once I take it, the pain uh, um, is gone immediately. But I can also take other pain killers, which is much more cheaper, like the one that I've been getting through generic pharmacies. It's just that it takes 2 to 3 hours before it takes effect. So, so that's the thing that I've dealing since then. Um, and again, it's because I don't have any choice because that's the only money that I can um, spend at that time for my painkillers. So, yeah. Uh, right now, I feel good because thanks to again with the painkillers that I've been taking. Right now, I've been taking mefenamic and then ibuprofen, a generic drug. So I make sure to take it every 6 hours so that I won't be feeling the pain that I don't want to feel. And what updates that is coming 22, October 22, I'll be having my gynae ultrasound at Amang. So it's free. So I'm glad that I was able to get it for free. Um, so hopefully everything will be sorted out by then. And then in case I do really need to have the surgery, I hope I can have it as soon as possible at Amang. If not, I'm thinking of getting a second opinion with my previous surgeon at Marikina Valley with Dr. Teleg, as per advice as well with some of my nurse friends. It would be better to have it checked immediately because of my case. So, as I've informed you from my last post, I already surrender everything to God. So, if ever I can still um, take the pain for a bit more time, I will, so that my parents won't have a hard time um, getting me, how do you call this? Getting me treated in any hospital because, as I've advised you, um, the only way for them not to be stressed out, especially in money, is if I have my treatment in a public hospital. So hopefully, God will provide those things for me, and hopefully, before Christmas, I won't be having this pain that I'm been dealing for almost 3 months already. So yeah, so that's it. Uh, Hopefully, I can post another update here on my YouTube channel, and also I hope I can also save uh, not too much, but just enough for my mom, just in case. You know, life is difficult, so I don't mind anymore whatever happens to me as long as my mom is secured, and also uh, it won't be a stress for them if ever they're gonna be losing me. So that's my simple wish. If ever I won't be um I won't be, how do you call this, B3 I won't be surpassing this condition by next year. I just hope um my parents won't be stressed out about it, And as I've said, I surrender everything to God. So um, whatever happens, happens. I think I lived my life to the fullest already. I was able to see Canada, so I'm very happy with it. I'm forever thankful for God about it that I was able to see Canada. I was able to meet my uncle Frank, though he's gone already. I'm very thankful I was able to meet him and see the beautiful Canada. So I'm overwhelmed about it and thankful. So as I've said, whatever happens to me, it's okay. I lived my life to the fullest already. As long as my mom is okay, I'm happy to go. So yeah, that's it. So um, if you're watching this, mom, you know I'm living my life for you. So if ever I won't surpass this medical condition, I know it's gonna be hard for you losing me, but just always remember that whatever happens to me, I will always be at your side and I will love you to the moon and back. Okay? Thanks for always being there for me, especially these days that I'm struggling of my medical condition. I'm very thankful for that. So hopefully I can surpass this so that I can still manage to be with you for a long time. Okay? I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama.